Hello, hello, good morning. Mega love shout out everyone. Tignan nyo sa labas guys, ang init. Oh. Grabe ang init. Kaya hindi ako makalabas. Dapat punta sana ako sa park pero super init guys. Andito ko sa balkon namin. Ayan, marumi. Hindi pa nilinis. Shout out everyone! Mega love shout out everyone! May ibon doon, no? May ibon nakatingin sa akin. Asan na ba yun? Ayun, no? May mga ibon. Shout out everyone. Si Kuya Nana ni YPC. Shout out si Kuya Lauren, director si Kuya Job Sinaway. Lahat ng mga sisi ko shout out. Tignan nyo sa labas o ang init. Oh. Super init guys. Thank you guys to those who supporting my silent life for my W8. Thank you adding a love travel music. Adding talpa kicks. Thank you. Shout out si Kuya Tabibing Ilog. Shout out sa Kuniko Mio Trip. Shout out FC Art Pabin. Shout out my friend and Tantran channel. Shout out Kat Fitri channel. Terry Makasi Banyak, my sister. I'm here outside our balcony. Watching outside because too hot. Now 37 degrees. Super hot. So I'm planning supposed to be to go park today, but I can't go because very hot. Hindi ko kakayanin, malayo pa yung park, lalakarin ko pa ng 15 minutes. Maski magpayong ka guys, mainit. Thank you Kabsat Arturo Blanco YTV. Thank you to all of you guys. I cannot mention already all your names, but big thanks for supporting me, especially for my silent live for my W8. Thank you guys. Okay, papasok na ako guys, mainit. Ayun, may mga ibon, naglilipad-liparan. Ayun. Ayun si Ibi. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching Rose Donella Vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe me. Rose Donella Vlog. All the way from Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Hindi ako makapagtagal guys, mainit. Bye! Till next time. Bago ako mag-bye-bye, malapit ng eleksyon, ilang tulog na lang. Please, don't forget, vote straight Duterte 10. PDP laban, +2, Ma'am Camille Villar and Ma'am Senator Amy Marcos. Thank you guys. Shout out to all Duterte's solid supporters. Shout out everyone, especially to those vloggers of Duterte. Shout out everyone. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Rose the Melody.